Reem
Reem
Central Park.
Central Park. I want to do the boat. I changed my mind.
You tell Baba.
Over there.
Salman, look at the view. City view. So beautiful.
You like your hair? Yeah.
Confidence. You'll see so many animals here, but it's too dark. We cannot see.
Hey guys, I got an ice cream shell. It's an actual like shell.
Where did you
It's
find
an
it?
Oh, I found it. I went here.
Oh, look, someone crop.
Where?
Yes, small one. You see it? Yeah, go.
3, 2, 1. Go! I mean, go!
Yeah. What is it? Come closer. Yeah, yalla. Keep going. Salman, did you know that we are under the bridge? We are under the bridge. Literally. The cars are on top. You can see maybe cars from here. Yalla, go, play, go.